So what's going on, YouTube? We're back with the GS. This is not the update I was trying to give you guys, but shit happens. I'm gonna let you guys see and just get right into it. I'm not trying to waste time, just trying to get it done. So yeah. So as you know, I put the BN rep kit on. Everything, you know, came out pretty flawless. Looks pretty good. But unfortunately, this happened last night. Got hit in the rear, so I'm gonna try to see what I can do. Got some fiberglass chunks missing, so I'm gonna try to bondo a layer. I see it's about like 1/4 of an inch, I think. I'm gonna try to layer that out, get a nice flat surface. I don't know how I'm around this back, but I'm gonna try. Clean this all up and pray that this works. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. And this is the bumper that I had on until I took my car to paint. So yeah, I'm not too bummed. I'm still frustrated. Trying to, you know, look at the brighter side. I get some body work experience. So
well,
I think I can fix it.
yeah, upon first glance, it didn't really look like it.
Yeah, he said upon first glance.
I mean, look, you see it, and it's like a nightmare.
Look like junk.
Pick up your jacket. Remember Karate Kid?
Yeah, and then he was training the whole time. He's sitting there like, that is funny. I forgot about that. Am I the only one that's hot right now? I should the other day. I was like,
yesterday.
Yeah. Oh. One reason why we body.
Yeah. Let me talk once again.
Carlos is here.
Grind every day, stand tall. One day or another, man, I'm gon' ball. Rubbing my last straw. We hustle hard and get the bag off. Don't call my phone unless it's cash talk. Run up, bare face, mask off. NASCAR, then we drag off. Nigga, I don't want no rap at all. Niggas gon' spark a knot, huh? Nah, pussy nigga call the cop. He talk that gang shit, then get popped. Talk that slide shit, then get shot. Niggas ain't on nothing I'm on.
So, with this whole little process, I've just been rolling. So, kind of satisfied with the body filler. What I'm gonna do now is go by hand with the flop. You know, so I'm not taking off too much, I'm not doing way too much, and after that, clean it off and prep it for some more paint. Doing it by hand is also good for the body lines. You wanna make sure you have a nice curve. You know, you don't wanna just be having blotches and stuff, because it's gonna make for a terrible finish.
All of this life, but see this life can give me paid quick. She looking at me, say she think my life's amazing. I'm pistol picking just in case she try to play me. There's no relation, catch you slipping if you're lazy. You see this money turn me to an asshole. She say she different, but she has just like my last hoe. All in my pocket trying to pin me for my cash flow. Want all my money cause you broke me while you cash low. You see the hustle cause stay on this cash shit.
I can't see it, that's hard though.
Living lavish. Tomorrow squad man, Cecil says my grind I lacking.
So I'm about to give you guys, you know, the final result of what I did with my bumper. It's not the greatest. I'm not a body guy, but it'll do until I go to prep and, you know, get paint done. So here we go. This is where, and I know I still have a little bit of, you know, imperfections-ish and all this. This was a quick fix on my day off of work. I was not trying to do this, but yeah. So I'm gonna end up having to put some more to grind that down. I'm gonna have to put some more Bondo on, a light coating of Bondo.